Dead Space spells Nicole's fate. A golden fire-breathing chicken pops out of pipes in Gears of War 3. Hidden name initials / credits in adventure. Level-specific codecs in Super Smash Bros. Brawl. How to fight in Reptile in Mortal Kombat. Psycho Mantis knows what you like in real life in Metal Gear Solid.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.